washed my hair. It looks like she's putting it up in 2 little buns, so I'm gonna do the same thing, like twist them up. Okay, so she puts on a face oil. I'm gonna use this Emma Hardy. I don't know what kind of bronzer she's using, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my True Match Lumi Glotion. So Natural Glow Enhancer. It's got a little bit of tanning benefits in there. There's just more glowy.
It's just getting my makeup done by different makeup artists daily. Help me learn what.
Okay, so she's pretty much taking a damp, or she sprayed it, so I'm gonna like clean mine real quick. I like to clean mine and have it dampen like that. So I have a damp beauty blender, and then she takes a pretty, she said it's a thick concealer. I'm gonna use the one that I usually use, which actually I'm not gonna use the one that I usually use because I usually use this one. But I do have one that's a little bit thicker. So I have this e.l.f. Maximum Coverage Concealer, and what she does, she puts a little bit of oil on the back of her hand, like that, and then like that, and then takes concealer. I'm just gonna put it on the other side, and her damp beauty blender, and dips a little bit in both and starts putting it on. I'm just going to apply, and I think she puts it anywhere she has like dark circles, red skin, anything like that. And of course she has better skin than I do. So I'm going to try to cover as much as possible because I don't think she uses foundation in this tutorial she does.
So just to set that a little, I use this MAC Prep and Prime. It's very lightweight.
Well, I don't have MAC Prep and Prime, but I do have Prep Set and Glow Transparent Powder by Milani, so I'm going to take that. And she takes like a tiny fluffy brush and kind of sets everything. So I'm just going to do the same thing.
Blush. I love this Stila color. I like to use my hands and everything because the warmth of your hand just makes the makeup sit better.
Okay, so she takes a pink blush. It's Stila, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use Milani Babe Blush. It's about the same color. It's like a pinky color. And she says she likes to take it with her hand, and she kind of applies it in an upward motion like that. And then I think she also takes it on her eyelids.
So this I also put on my lids. I just feel like it makes you look a little more alive. So blush on the nose kind of gives a fake sun-kissed look because that's where you would look sunburned naturally.
Done way too much. Okay. And I think I... okay. Why? Okay, let's kind of blend that out. Okay, and she takes it kind of like all the way up. Let's try this again on this side. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's just move on. Okay, so she goes back in with concealer. I was gonna go with this one, the Instant Nature Wine, and just add it in, and I think it just goes in anywhere that she needs it, I feel like. Okay, so next she does her eyebrows, and of course her eyebrows are already, I don't know if they're microbladed or those are her natural brows, but they look pretty full on and amazing. She uses an eyebrow pencil and then she goes in with like something else. So I'm just gonna brush through mine and try to make him thicker. And obviously I have darker hair, and she has really blonde hair. So I'm gonna try to make him as thick as possible. So I actually have this e.l.f. pot, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brow gel. She doesn't do this stuff, but I think that Laura Mercier or whatever she was using, I think it was like a little brow gel type thing to kind of hold them in place. Okay, so she puts on top and bottom mascara. I'm using this Caution mascara by Hourglass. It's a similar wand like the one she's using, and I've been loving this one. So I think she said she puts it on from root to top, and then she doesn't always put it on her bottom lashes, but she is in this video.
So I like to get like really to the root and fan them out. I don't always put on the bottom. And use a little kind of mauve color just to do a little contouring in the eye.
This color right here is sort of similar to the one she's using. This is from the e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna do what she does, just kind of take the fluffy brush and around. So she takes it all the way like through here. Oh my god. We have completely different eye shapes as well.
Do a little definition underneath.
Okay, so she puts a lip balm on. Let me see if I have one on hand. Okay, well, I'm just gonna use this. It's the one that I have on hand right now. This is the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. There we go. Added a lot. Okay, so then she takes like the same fluffy brush that she was using for like the setting powder, and she takes that contour, which is the same color as the eyeshadow, which I'm like, it's a little crazy, but we'll do the same thing. She takes that same color and uses it as like contour here. And then she said the hairline. So she takes like a fluffy brush and the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Forever Sunkissed Bronzer, which is just like Hoola, doesn't have like any kind of sparkle in it. And she takes it kind of all over and a lot into her forehead.
That's not a problem, so I can fake it.
Just kind of bronzer or more bronze down here, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna take it all the way down. So then she takes like a reddish lip stain and kind of like puts it around her lips. So I have this similar thing. This is like it's from Klee, I think that's the brand. It's a melting lip powder and cheek tint and Desert Rose. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. And she kind of takes it and then
on a day that I don't have any time,
dabs it on.
this is the only thing that I would put on. It just gives a really...
as a lip stain. And of course her lips are much bigger than mine. I'm just gonna... So she takes a highlighter, which I'm gonna take my El Masca highlighter, and she puts it on her cheeks, her eyelid, and the inner corner of her eye, I think. Okay. So we're just gonna do the same thing, just kind of tap, 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 creating a heart.
So this stuff I can go kind of crazy with. Some days I only use this on my eye, like without the contour. Here it just casts a light and kind of brightens your eyes. And then I do in here as well. Basically my whole face. And on the bow of the lip. I like to do like from the middle out, just for a little lift.
She likes to do from the middle out, so this is the middle sort of. And then she kind of does like a wing sort of look. Hold on. Okay, so she does more lipstick. She uses like the lip crayon thing. It looked like a really intense red lip, but it's honestly everything that I have on so far. And then she puts on some sheen. Okay, so then she sets everything with like the little makeup sponges, those little white ones. I'm gonna take this Make Me Matte powder on my beauty blender. And she just kind of goes back in to like set the under eye. Just so stuff doesn't move.
Little smile.
Okay, so we're gonna take the buns down because that's what she does. Definitely doesn't look the same. Okay, so we gotta put on some dry shampoo. And she's just gonna tilt her head down. Okay. Okay. Then she makes freckles. Alright, let's try to make freckles, guys. Okay, so it's technically like a brown pencil. So I'm just gonna take this one right here. This is Makeup Forever color pencil. She just kind of puts dots everywhere. Alright, so this is the look that we created using Candice's step-by-step instructions and for a natural look. So personally, I probably wouldn't wear this look. I wear a little bit more eye makeup, so I like to do eyeliner under or mascara, more kind of eyeshadow, and I definitely use black eyeliner, not brown eyeliner. And I definitely put on foundation, and I don't use so much something like creamy products on my face because they do smudge a lot. So I have to set everything to hold it in place. And then my hair, I mean, this isn't bad since we just put it up and whatever, but I like to kind of fix my bangs a little bit, and yeah, I don't know, maybe because my hair is darker, she's more of a blonde, I feel like the look might go better with her. I definitely need more makeup with darker hair, maybe that's what it is, because I have dark hair, I need more makeup than what she does. And she's obviously got more chiseled cheeks, and her lips are way bigger, her nose is smaller, her eyes are different, like shaped differently. So this just goes to tell that everybody's everyday makeup is going to be different from person to person, and what looks best on you and your face shape and your hair and your body and everything. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one.